Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do the patch test on this particular place. We are going to cover this with the skin color. As you all know, this is the only way to get rid of the vitiligo and get your natural skin color back. I am Suresh Machu, founder of Machu Tattoos, and I am the member of American Academy Micropigmentation, and we are going to match the exact skin tone of her color. As you can see, it's going more smooth. So we are matching the exact tone. There's no bleeding, there's no swelling. It's a really great method of matching with the exact skin color tone. So starting, it might looks little dark in color, but once got healed, it will be set down and match with your exact skin tone. Starting itself, if you match with your exact skin tones, and once got healed, it will look little bad. That means it will start to look dull. So we highly recommend will be make one tone darker than your actual skin tone. So once got healed, it will be settled down much more in a better way. Most of the times, vitiligo patients will be have their white patches on their joints or the bones. That's mainly because they'll start to lose the melanins on that particular place. So we are going to do the patch test on this place first. Once this patch test got succeeded, then we'll plan to proceed with the remaining places of our body. As you all know, we highly recommend you to do the patch test first before proceeding into the remaining places of your body. Why? Because when we do the patch test, we can get to know easily whether that skin is accepting or not. So we are matching with the exact skin tone and it's coming out really nice. There's no much of a bleeding, much of a swelling also. The output is coming really great. So if you guys have any more doubts, we have attached our contact number in the title as well as in the description. Please do contact us. We have attached our exact map location also, you can go through that. And we highly recommend, please book an appointment and come down. We are getting clients from all over the world and other countries also. So please don't come without booking an appointment. That will reduce your waiting time and that will allocate our artists also with you. So please book an appointment and then visit us. We can provide a much more better outputs. So please do comment us and contact us if you have any more doubts. It's almost going to get over. As you can see, the final output, it's so smooth and great. This is the fresh one. Once got healed, it will look more cute. I'm signing off. Don't die mute.